degree for this one. Now you tell me what is the degree of the denominator?
1.
1.
What
One.
is the degree of the numerator?
One.
1.
Because the value of y is equal to 1, the value of the power of x equal to 1. Don't consider the sine y by x, because sine y by x is the heart for the trigonometry function. So we never consider for taking the degree. There is no degree because it is not the polynomial function. சரியா? இப்ப இதே வந்து வேற மாதிரி இருந்ததுன்னு வச்சுக்கிடுவோமே, sin x into y by x இருந்தா then that problem is entirely different. This problem is entirely different. Okay, when we will solve the problem we will see. So now what happened? We cannot consider this one. So now what method we have to substitute?
Y equal to
Y equal
Y is equal to Vx.
Y is equal to
Then you
Vx.
substitute, you'll get the answer. Understood or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, the method I don't want to solve today. Yesterday I taught enough. You know how to substitute, how to take it after the variable separable method. Yes, write this problem
Sir, one doubt, sir.
and ask me.
After solving this, we should substitute the values for x and y, sir.
Yes. After solving this one, substitute the value for b.
Yes, sir.
X will be like that only. Because in place of y only we are substituting. In place of
Yes,
y
sir.
only we are substituting y is equal to Vx.
After
Okay.
that, sir.
No, sir.
After
The
that,
pi and
in
2,
top
sir. Y
value
is
is
equal to pi
given.
and x equal to 2.
that one, yes. After that, we have to substitute the constant will be there. So for example, this problem, 1 minute. Good. That's a very good doubt. I forgot. Now let us see. I will write the final answer. I'll write the final answer for this one. After simplifying, answer will come like that. X into 1 minus cos y by x equal to into c into y by x. This is your final answer. Now in this problem, this is called a particular function, because in this particular value, what is the value for constant? In this particular value, x equal to 2 and y equal to pi, what is the value of this constant? Now you substitute x equal to 2, you put it here, 2 into 1 minus cos pi by
5 by 2.
2 equal to c into sin pi by 2.
5 by 2.
This is our main equation. Equation number 1. Now you substitute, what is cos pi by 2?
0.
0.
0. 2
0.
into 1, 2
0.
equal to c into what is sin pi by 2?
1.
1.
1. So what is the value for c?
2.
2.
So this one you have to substitute at the end. X into 1 minus cos y by x equal to 2 into sin y by x. This is your final answer. Because it is a particular function, there is no value of the constant. Constant will not be there in this differential equation. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is called particular function. You can do next problem. Yes, do the problem. First of all, what we have to do?
Multiply 4.
dy by
Huh?
dx.
Huh?
dy by dx.
Very good. First of all, you write dy by dx. First of all, you write dy by dx. After that, you tell me whether it is a homogeneous function or not. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What shall I do now?
Yes, sir.
So
Checking the degree.
Degrees.
don't bother about this one. Don't not bother about this one. Don't bother about this one. Yes, give least important to this one. Now, what is the degree on the numerator?
2.
2.
2.
Because
2.
x power is 1, y power is 1. Here the degree is 2. Here y square degree is 2. We never consider the sine and cos as the degree. So here 1 plus 1 is 2. Here x square is 2. So numerator is 2. Denominator is 2. Therefore, it is a homogeneous differential equation. Then we can simplify. Substitute the value of y is equal to px. Now, hope you understood what is that method of homogeneous differential equation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What happened to Ihsan Negi?
Yes, sir.
Ihsan Negi, are you in the class today? Ihsan Negi, find out to tell me whether Ihsan Negi is there or not. He is there? Ihsan Negi is there?
No, sir.
No, okay.
Sir, doubt,
Because
sir.
yesterday,
Doubt, sir.
doubt to ask me.
Sir, in this term, when you are taking the degree of the equation, you are
Ah.
considering the variable which is near the sine function, sir. But in previous term, we didn't consider that.
Previous sum, what I not consider?
So it came y minus x sine y by x, where the power of x is 1 and where the power of in the numerator it is 2, sir. Because y is 1 and x is 1.
Wait. How to go to the previous pages? This is the 11th class. You saved the 9th class in 11th class. Okay, tell me. Tell me. I'll see the book. Previous sum.
Sir, in the previous sum, when you are finding the dy by dx,
Hmm.
the equation will be y minus x sine y by x, sir.
1 minute, stop. Y
Minus
minus x
x
ah,
sine
x
y
sine
by x
y by x.
whole divided by x.
Yes. Okay. Tell me.
Sir, here what is the degree of the numerator, sir?
Numerator. So sine y by x, there is no degree. So
Yes,
this
sir.
one portion is deleted.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So here, what is the degree of y?
1,
What is the degree of x?
1.
1. So what is the degree of the numerator? Common degree of the numerator.
Okay, sir, understood. Sir, I saw we have to add it and
No adding, because the symbol minus is there, no? Suppose
okay.
here x square is there. Here x power 3 is there. Will you take, or here x power 1 is there? Here y power 1, here x power 2. What is the common degree in the numerator? Will you find anything?
No, sir.
No. But here only x is there, no? Only x is there. So the common power of the x is what?
1.
1. So now what is the common power of the numerator?
1, sir.
1. What is the common power of the denominator?
1, sir.
Here no common power, because only one term is there.
Yes.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Good.
Thank you, sir.
Should ask the doubt. No problem. Okay. Now I'll do one more problem. Do this problem. dy by dx. That's all. Tell me, what is this problem? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but where is the denominator? No denominator?
No denominator.
No denominator.
No denominator. So if there is no denominator, then that is not the homogeneous differential equation. Why? What is the reason? What is the purpose of this homogeneous
Degree.
differential equation? How the
Degree
homogeneous differential
Degree
equation
must be same.
function will come?
F of
F of 1 is equal to x, comma y.
This is called a homogeneous differential equation. But here there is no denominator. There is no denominator. So this problem is not coming under
Homogeneous.
homogeneous differential equation. So second method is not possible. What shall I do? Shall I go for that first method? What is the first method?
variable.
Variable
Variable.
method.
Variable separable method.
You try that variable separable method. You try that variable separable method.
Not possible.
Not possible, sir.
Not possible, sir.
We can write like this. Then dy by dx equal to e power x into dx minus 2y into dx. Y, no problem. E power x into dx, no problem. But here there is a problem. Because this is, what is there outside?
Dx.
Dx. But what is inside?
Y.
What is inside?
Right.
Huh?
Y.
Yes. So this is not variable separable method. So if the two methods are not there, there is another method is called integrating factor method.
Integrating factor.
What is that method? That method of the formation is like this. If any equation is dy by dx plus py equal to q. If any problem is in this formation, then that problem is called integrating factor. Now you tell me this dy by dx plus 2y equal to e power x and dy by dx plus py equal to q is this problem under this method is same or not?
Yes,
Here
sir.
dy by dx,
Yes,
dy
sir.
by dx is there. Y is there. What is the value for p according to this problem?
2.
2
What is the value for q?
E to the power x.
e power x.
Yes. So this is the third method. Third method is called integrating factor method. After finding the value of p and q, you have to find the integrating factor. What is the integrating factor? Which is equal to e power integral p dx. You have to find the integrating factor. After that, your solution is the direct solution. Y into integrating factor equal to integral q into integrating factor into dx plus c is the final answer. See, there are three different methods. Variable separable method, direct, separately you do it, then do the integration. Homogeneous differential equation, you substitute y is equal to vx. But if you find it is an integrating factor, then you find integrating factor. After that, you substitute in this formation, you will get the final answer. Okay. Now, according to this problem, what is the IF? You tell me.
E to the power.
2 into
To the power 2x.
Yes. What is this final answer? E power.
2x.
That's all. Now, this is the formation. Substitute y into
e power 2x
y into e power 2x is equal to integral
q into e power
Power 2x into e power.
e power x
Power x.
into
e power 2x.
E power 2x.
Into dx.
E power x into e power 2x is how much?
E power
E power 3x.
3x.
E power 3x.
Yes. Now what is this answer?
E power 3x by
1
3
by
plus
3
c.
e power 3x by 3.
E power 3x by 3.
That's all. This is the final answer. Is it easy?
Easy, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And among all this problem, which method you feel is very easy one?
Variables.
Variable, sir.
Yes.
Variables.
Very homogeneous.
Homogeneous. இது சின்ன ப்ராப்ளம், அதனால ஈஸியா போட்டீங்க. இது ஒன்றும் ஈஸி கிடையாது. இன்டகிரேஷன் டிஃபிகல்ட்டா இருக்கும், வேற ஒன்றும் இல்லை. சரியா? இன்டகிரேஷன் வந்து கொஞ்சம் டஃப்பா இருக்கும் இதுல. ஓகே, நோ ப்ராப்ளம், போடலாம். இதான் முடிஞ்சது உங்களுக்கு இன்னைக்கோட இன்டகிரேட். ஆனா இன்டகிரேட்டிங் ஃபேக்டர் ப்ராப்ளம் தான் உனக்கு எதுல கேக்குறாங்க? யூபிஎஸ்சில கேக்குறாங்க. பார்த்துருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். நல்ல பையங்களா இருந்து பாஸ் ஆகணும்னு நினைச்சவன் புக்கை திறந்து பார்த்துருப்பீங்க நீங்க. மைனஸ் yes, tell the solution.
P is equals to minus 1 by x.
What method?
Variable.
What method?
Integrating.
Integrating factor.
ஆமா, அது நீ ஜென்ரல் என்ன எழுதணும்னாட்டா எக்ஸாம்ல சிபிஎஸ்ல which is linear differential equation. அதான் IF தான், linear differential equation சொல்லுவோம். இப்போ IF எழுதுங்க, சால்வ் பண்ணுங்க, ஆன்சர் சொல்லுங்க.
Y equal to x cube.
Okay, tell me what is that value for P?
Minus 1 by x.
What is the value for Q?
2x square.
2x square. 2x.
Then what you have to find first?
Integrating factor. IF.
இது வரைக்கும் எழுதுனா உனக்கு 1 மார்க் கிடைக்கும்.
E to the power minus log x.
Minus log x.
Log x.
இது எப்படி எழுதலாம்?
Log
1 by
to the
x.
power minus
Log 1 by x.
Minus
to
1
the
by
power
x.
minus
இப்போ எது எது அடிபட்டு போகும்?
E log
log. E and log.
இப்போ என்ன ஆன்சர் வந்துரும்?
1 by x.
1 by x.
1 by x.
இது கண்டுபிடிச்சீங்கன்னா இன்னொரு half mark, 1.5 mark. What is the formation?
Y into
Y integrating factor
equal to integral of
Q into
E Q into integrating factor.
half mark.
One by x equal to 2x square into 1 by x. X dx.
Yes, that's all. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So now
sir.
understood what is the
Yes,
method
sir.
of integrating factor?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Anybody is having any doubt? You tell me. That's all. It is over now. Only 3 methods are there solving the differential equation. I'm telling you in CBSE, totally 9 marks are there in this chapter. Okay, the easiest one. Now you solve this one. I'll tell you how to find out. Because now completely we are studying one by one. First we taught. First I taught you variable separable method. After that I taught you
Homogeneous.
homogeneous. Now I'm teaching you
Integrating factor.
Integrating
linear,
factor
yes,
method.
integrating factor method. So in the examination, when they will give the problem, you should find out it is coming under which method. Okay, that things you will see tomorrow. Now you write this problem, last problem. 1 plus x square into dy plus 2xy into dx is equal to cot x into dx. Yes, last problem. What shall I do? Tell me.
Take 2xy dx on that side.
No. What shall I do? Once again,
Whole equation
Yes.
divided by dx, sir.
the whole
divided by
equation
dx.
is
Whole
divided
divided
by
by
dx.
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 1 plus x square okay. What shall I do now?
2xy to the arches, sir.
Huh?
2xy to arches.
2xy on that side.
Take 2xy to right hand side, sir.
No. Why?
Divided by 1 plus x square.
Divide.
Are you going to prove it is a homogeneous differential equation? Okay.
No, sir. After that, we can divide 1 plus x square.
Divided by 1 plus x square.
No. 1 by is giving good idea. Let us see that idea. Equal to.
It will form a homogeneous differential equation, sir.
But when you take it that on another side, it will not form. No. Okay, I suspect it is a homogeneous differential equation. That's why I taken dy by dx. But here cot x, no degree here. Here, what is the degree for 2xy?
2, sir.
2.
2, sir.
What is the common degree on the numerator?
2.
No.
1.
No common degree on the numerator because it is a big question mark before the cot x. You see the previous problems? Before the trigonometric function, some x or y, something will be there. Check the problem. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So
Yes,
here
sir.
we cannot take any degree common in the numerator. அதே மாதிரி we cannot take any degree common in the denominator. இந்த x square க்கு 2 degree. 1 க்கு என்னது?
0.
0. Will you take common degree in the denominator?
No, sir.
No. So there is no common degree. நான் சொல்றது உனக்கு புரிஞ்சுதா? 2xy க்கு 2 கரெக்ட் நான் ஒத்துக்கிறேன். கீழ x ஸ்கொயர் க்கு 2 அப்படி பண்ண கூடாது நீ. xy க்கு 2 cot x க்கு முன்னாடி ஒண்ணுமே இல்லையே. அங்கேயும் ஏதாவது இருக்கணும். இங்க அட்லீஸ்ட் ஒரு y ஸ்கொயர் இருந்தா 2 ன்னு எடுக்கலாம். So there is no common degree. So this problem is not the homogeneous differential equation. Then next suspecting method is IF. என்ன சி total equation is divided by 1 plus y square. அப்ப எப்படி வருங்கிறத பாரு.
dy by dx plus 2x by 1 plus
2xy divided by
1 plus x square
1 plus x square equal to
cot
cot
x
x by
by
1 plus
1 plus
x square.
Yes. Now this is the method of integrating factor because no square. Sorry. So this is the method of dy by dx plus dy equal to q is called the linear differential equation.
Equation.
As per this one, what is the value for p?
2x by 1 plus x square.
2x by
2x by 1 plus
தனியா எழுதணும் எக்ஸாம்ல சிபிஎஸ்சில எல்லாம் தனியா அப்படி எழுதணும் எழுதுனாதான் மார்க் கொடுப்பாங்க. The value of q is equal to
cot x by 1
cot x by 1 plus x square.
half mark உனக்கு. IF எழுதுங்க நீங்க. What is IF?
log
IF log of 1
Hey. Write the formula. Even your answer is wrong, at least you will get half mark. புரியுதா?
yes sir.
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Write the formula always. Suppose you are doing some mistake in Haribari, at least you will get half mark for that IF. இந்த பாஸ் ஆகிற கேஸுக்கெல்லாம் நாங்க தேடுவோம் மார்க் எங்கடா போடலாம் அப்படின்ட்டு. So log of
1 plus x square
what is this answer? E power log of x square equal
1
to
plus x square.
1 plus x.
இதான் வந்து என்னது?
Integrating factor.
Integrating factor.
Now you have to form the அது திரும்ப எழுதுன நீ நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கோ சோம்பேறித்தனப்படாத. y into integrating factor equal to integral
Integral
q
of
into integrating factor
integrating
into
factor
dx plus இது எழுதுனா இதுக்கு ஒரு half mark உண்டு. So 4 மார்க்ல பார்த்தா இதுக்கு half mark இதுக்கு half mark சரியா? இந்த p and q எழுதி இந்த ஃபார்மேஷன் கொண்டு வந்திருந்தீங்கன்னா half mark. So problem solve பண்ணாமலே 1.5 mark you will get it very easily. Okay, so don't forget to write that formula. Okay, y into 1 plus x square equal to integral
cot x
cot x
into
by 1 plus x square into 1 plus x. Both will be transformed.
into dx plus c.
so you will get the answer is integral
Cot x into dx. Cot x dx.
yes, do that integration, you will get the answer. That's all. My job is over in differential equation. Tomorrow you fix the time, not morning 7:30 to 8:30. Sorry, Sunday. You tell the time. Now the time is 8:15 only. Now I'll wind up. I don't want to teach anything. Tomorrow I will do the UPSC problem from this chapter, differential equation. Then Monday onwards, probability. Monday probability. Tell me tomorrow what time? Which class is there? Ankur Pandey class is there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then will you send the message to me? After seeing
Yes, sir.
everything evening, will you send the message to me?
Okay, sir.
Okay, not 7:30 to 8:30. I'll get up late only tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, no? I'll get up around 7:30 only. The Sunday routine is there for me. So it will take 1 hour morning. So till 9 o'clock I am little busy. After 9 o'clock, you tell any timing, you send the message to me. Who will take the responsibility?
Badal Kumar.
Badal Kumar. Badal, first of
Yes,
all,
sir.
Badal is in the class.
Yes, sir.
Badal,
Yes, sir.
you tell Isan Negiya. Yesterday I sent the message also. We will not permit him to appear the CBSE examination because of the poor attendance.
Okay, sir. I will
Okay.
inform you.
Yes, you tell him you will not appear the examination in Science School Amravati. See,
Okay, sir.
I completed this chapter. How you will clear? You are not staying in the hostel. If you are staying in the hostel, it is all right. You can discuss and study. Already he failed Isan Negi because
Yes,
of this Corona COVID-19. So we gave that pass mark. Now he is in 12th class. But 100% sure, I don't want this year the worst result. This year, Science School Amravati 12th class is the best result. I am telling you among all the science schools. Not that much top. Toppers are there, but more than 475 many students are there. Mathematics 75% and above 22 students are there. So directly you can apply for the technical entry also. In CBSE, those who are scoring more than 75 mark, they can appear the technical entry. Recently, I saw that advertisement also. It's a good result. Not because of the COVID-19. The set is good. Boys are good. Many 96, 97. But your set I know very well. 11th B. Because of that your section division. Many poor boys are there in 11th B. Sanagi is there in 11th B. My friend Kishore is there in 11th B. I'm not bothered about 11th A. 11th A boys anyway they'll study. Our biologist team is there, they'll study. I'm little bothered about B section only. Because mathematics is concerned, only 3 chapters are left over. Almost 70% of the syllabus is over. Now only vector, 3-dimension, probability. The LPP was removed in CBS examination. So only 3 chapters are left over. Though time is there, but you should know everything, no? Tell Isan Negi. Okay?
Okay,
Badal
sir.
Kumar,
Okay,
Badal
sir.
Kumar, your responsibility is send the message to me. Do
Okay, sir.
you know my cell number?
Yes, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Badal Kumar,
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Badal Kumar, when you start from Bihar, you are from Bihar, no?
Yes, sir.
When you start from Bihar, you call me. I need one item from Bihar. One
Okay,
medicine.
sir. Okay,
Okay?
sir.
One medicine. Your place that mustard oil is available, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When you start from there, you tell me. Not
Okay,
now.
sir.
Just to
Okay.
remember. Keep it in your
Okay, sir.
mind. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.